The hardest thing about what we're trying to do is making sure that we get to the right kids. The kids who have all the family support and all the parental involvement, directing them towards STEM, participate in Science Saturdays and they participate in Robotics Camp. But in addition to those kids, we really want to find the kids who wouldn't otherwise have the opportunities, and those kids are a lot harder to recruit. So we rely on the partners in the community, the teachers, the schools, the principals, advertising to some extent. And we hope that in the process of doing that, we'll continue to attract kids whose eyes will be opened by these types of careers and who would never even think to explore or dream in that direction without exposure from the community by way of outreach, as we offer at IHMC.
We're trying to tell the story of what is happening at these robotics camps, and we want these kids to look at these photos and be like, hey, I want to learn about robotics. I want to learn about science. I want to be in STEM. That's what we're looking for, to inspire kids to come here and seek opportunity.
We're here at IHMC. We just finished up week 2 of the robotics camps. This is the 8th year I've done this.
Yeah?
Yeah, and every year it's different, which is what I like to do. I like to switch it up. I don't want to do it the same every year because I would get bored, and I don't want to get bored doing this, because it's too much fun. I love it.
I've done this camp twice before, and I've always had a lot of fun with it because it's a chance to meet new friends, and the programming's not horribly difficult, and even if it is, Mr. Parr walks you through it, so it's not like they just throw you in the deep end and are good luck. There's someone there kind of helping you the whole way through.
It's really interactive, so it's very hands-on, it's fun, you get to explore different things. You might end up loving it like I do. That's the reason I want to study in robotics and agricultural science.
So I get to teach programming and some engineering concepts. They have to put their heads together, make a plan, test it, and then go back through the process, keep testing. It's such a unique experience. I mean, they get to, for 4 days, all day, they're at a company like IHMC. They're building robots, they're programming them, they're meeting scientists and engineers, they're touring a lab, they're eating lunch in small groups with these people, and they're getting asking questions like, how'd you get here? What's the roadmap to get to where you are? That's not very many people get that opportunity.
You just wouldn't be able to experience that. I can't think of any place else that lets you have that in-depth and close experience as this place does.
You're building robots every day, and you learn how to code, and you learn a whole bunch of new things. It's exciting.
It's exciting. It's a win, a victory.
Yeah.
And the volunteers and the camp staff really do make it fun. And I want to come back as a volunteer so I can help the kids in something that I found enjoyable, help kids find that enjoyable also.
These kids need every opportunity they can get. There's a lot of kids that don't get any opportunities, especially in our county, Escambia County. A lot of lower income families here. If a company decides to help, it pays off. It has a return on investment for sure.
We offer scholarships to students whose parents may not be able to afford camps. Give them the opportunity to experience it so we can show them that they can make an impact on this world. Just gives them a chance. That's what IHMC focuses on, is just helping people.
And the kids are really fun to interact with too. They're funny, and it's just so fun watching them light up whenever they realize they got something right, whenever their robot works the way they want it to.
There's so many different types of, all the kids are different, and so many different aspects. Some of them are quiet and they kind of work by themselves better, other people work really well with others, so you just kind of see the different types of personalities that people have.
I gravitated more to biology and psychology. That may not be robotics, but I had the opportunity to gravitate towards these things because I experienced robotics camp, and I learned that, hey, some of this ain't for me, but this is what I like. This is what I love. I definitely would say this changed my life.